Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by trimming stray fibers close to the fabric. Do not cut into the weave. Once cut, choose a sealing method based on fabric. Fray check for delicate, clear nail polish for small fixes, or fabric glue for heavier edges. Make sure to stabilize the edge with clips or press a narrow hem if the material shifts. While you work, keep movements small and controlled so the sealant or stitch follows the edge precisely and bonds or secures every exposed thread. Once the edge is stabilized, sew a reinforcing stitch. A zigzag or overcast 2-3 mm from the raw edge prevents further unraveling. If using liquid sealant, apply a thin, even coat and make sure to press the edge together until the product becomes tacky so fibers bond. For garments or high-stress seams, attach bias tape or run the edge through a serger. This creates a durable folded barrier. After each step, inspect the edge and remove excess sealant or loose threads before they set. You finish by trimming any excess material and, where appropriate, heat-set fusible tape or press the hem flat for permanence. Once finished, wash or spot clean a small area gently to test durability. Make sure the edge holds and hasn't become overly stiff. If fraying resumes, restitch the area with a tighter overcast or add a small patch and reapply sealant. Alternatively, switch methods. For example, use bias tape instead of glue until you find a lasting combination for that fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.